Truck is in the shop, so I've been daily driving this thing for the past 2 months. There's something about having a full tank of gas that just satisfies you. Now, when you get paid on the Friday and the first thing you do is just fill up your gas tank, very good feeling. Hey guys, welcome back. We are in the Ford Focus today, and as you can see on the dash, we have an airbag light. Unusual. I've been driving this thing for the past how many months now. The White Explorer is back in the trend shop. We're gonna go visit it real quick. Let's do a quick walk around. So I was supposed to have this car put in the shed for the winter because we're in the process of season changes, and I don't know if you can catch no camera. Look how dirty this car is for me driving it. We've been getting a bunch of rain in Michigan lately because weather's changing, but I've been really driving this thing. Look at there. I mean, just mud and the mud all on the tires. It does have a ceramic coating on it, so it don't look as bad, but it's still dirty, you know what I mean. Would wash it, but it's raining a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and check on the Explorer. So as we go to the shop to check on the Explorer real quick, I was finally able to get it in the shop for the torque converter. And the story behind that, they ordered the part but found out it was the wrong part, so now we are waiting even longer. So just been kind of hanging out in the Focus, and we've been driving this car back and forth to work. Lately I've been driving 70 miles to work because I'm in the process of coming from one house to another house to work, and then picking up my son from school, and I'm averaging about 72 miles a day on this thing. So there's my Explorer right there. It was funny because yesterday it was in the bay, and I came up here today. I asked them, so what's the progress on it? They say they're still working on it. So hopefully by next week I have it back. It's been in and out of the bay. I'm not sure why it's been in and out of the bay. Kind of got me concerned, considering that it's been here since September, and they had no idea I drive past this shop every day to go to work. But it's right there. I haven't made no videos on it because it's been sitting here at the shop, and the shop had just currently closed on me. So yeah, but we got the torque converter. Hopefully it'll be installed by next week, hopefully, because I'm gonna need it for the winter and to make some more content. But as we get back on the road with the Focus, it's been holding out pretty real. It's been taking a beating. Considering that the airbag light had came on, I don't know if what's weird about it, it's like sometimes it'll come on, sometimes it'll cut off. I don't know if it's a voltage issue with the battery or not, but it gets kind of annoying after a while sitting and just looking at that. Oh well. So I'm trying to get some free air at Bell Tire, and I've been like sitting here for 15 minutes now, figure out record, but this guy been sitting here trying to figure out how to put air in his tire for the longest, and I just been sitting here like, okay. It's this truck I've been looking at on Copart that people been bidding on. It's a 2014 Chevy Silverado, and I am going to show you. So I've been looking at this 2014 Silverado, and I saw it on a YouTuber's channel. The YouTuber name is called Auto Auction Rebuilds. It's the truck right here. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Just gonna go through the pictures. So I did bid on it. Decent condition. Decent condition. It's got 109,000 miles on it. Minor dents and scratches. But on the video, as you can see right here in this picture, it's no dent in the fender. But in the video I saw on YouTube, there was a dent in the fender. All right, here's a video of auto auction rebuilds last week. Here's the same exact truck.
For truck content, here we go. We got us a 2014 Chevy Silverado. We're going to walk around and try to figure out how bad the damage is. Took a nasty little hit to the fender right there. For me, I wouldn't care. I wouldn't even fix it. Honestly, I would drive it like that. The headlight.
Now, in the picture, all this, that fender wouldn't like that in the picture, so I'm assuming the damage happened at Copart. But you pretty much get what I'm saying. By the way, subscribe to Auto Auction Rebuilds. He's a pretty cool YouTuber. So back on the Copart website, you don't see that dent in the fender in the picture, but in Auto Auction Rebuilds video, there is a dent in the fender, which makes me think that that damage possibly could have happened at Copart when they used the forklift to move these cars around. So this truck is a run and drive. I've seen it in the video. It starts up. So estimate retail value $32,000, which is actually not bad at all. I did bid $7,000 on here. We're gonna scroll down. I'm currently not logged in. So this is where it's at now. So somebody else kind of outbidded me, and now the bid is at $16,000, and you can do a buy it now for $22,000. So I pretty much got my eye on this truck. It is a theft recovery. It's still a clean title, but it's a theft recovery. Somebody reported it stolen, and insurance company paid them off, and it was found. But I mean, this truck, with the reception of the fender being dent, I wouldn't care too much about it because this would be a work truck. I can just drive back and forth to work. See in the picture, you don't see no dent. In the video, there's a dent. So I'll scroll through the pictures again. Very nice truck, 2014 Silverado LTZ. And like I said, that fender damage wouldn't even bother me too much. I can just fix that myself. I mean, I just use it as a work truck to get back and forth to work. It's got the 5.3 in it. It is 4-wheel drive, and it's in Oklahoma. It does need some new tires with the way the pictures look, but that's fine. I mean, $600, put new tires on there, and we can drive from Oklahoma all the way to Michigan. So keeping my eye on that. So I'm probably just gonna place one last bid on here. Let's see. I'm just gonna bid 500 on it just to get it to 17,000, and hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna be the winner bid. I know somebody's gonna outbid me, but let me just move this out of the way so you can see. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, this is a real nice truck. Other than the dent in the fender, I can live with that. The interior is pretty clean. Engine is a little dusty, but that's expected. So, and by this being a Southern truck, it's just no rust on it at all. So out here in Michigan, that's like a brand new truck. You know, no rust. Looks so good in the pictures. But if you're shopping on Copart, I highly recommend you go out there and look at the vehicle physically. I'm just shopping by online sight on scene, I should say. So we'll see what this goes at. Stroll for the pictures once more. Nice truck. So that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe to this channel. Hopefully by next week, I had a white Ford Explorer back. Don't know, but we'll just see. See you soon.